Hey, what's going on, guys? Came down to the beach. Beautiful day today. But you read the title. I'm selling my car. So I love my car, but there's something that I think I want a little bit more, and it is extremely it's impulsive, I have to say that. But I wanted to make a video to see if you guys can guess, because I know it's always fun. I did this last time. Can you guess what I am getting? Let me see if there's any clues. Well, I can tell you I've been to the dealership. I already have a deal, kind of. Weird circumstances, the vehicle is in transit, so I couldn't do any financial part of it yet, because there's like, once you do that, you know, finance, running the numbers and everything, then there's a limit on it, so they don't know when it's actually arriving. It could be here next week, could be here next month, who knows. But I am very excited about it. Like I said, very impulsive. It's something I think that I will enjoy even more, but I have to say this was amazing. If you don't know, this is a 2021 RAV4. I have the XLE Premium, so it's got some bells and whistles. It's not the top of the top, but it's certainly just awesome. I mean, I really do love everything about this. I happen to love the color. It's Lunar Rock. I love the rims that happen to be on this one. It sits a little higher than previous years. The little 4-cylinders, you know, kicks, it's fine. You know, when I can get up to speed if I have to, I can. It hasn't been sluggish by any means, but you know, it's not sporty or anything. I did get the racks aftermarket, which work well. Although my one complaint is this one happens to have a sunroof, and that front rack goes right across the sunroof itself. So I like a sunroof, not only just for a little bit of air passing through, but more so for emergencies. God forbid you, I don't know, got stuck somewhere, you just can't open your doors, can't climb out. It's nice to have that availability to go through your roof, right? But not obviously with the roof rack. So anyway, yeah, comment down below. It's nothing old, I'll say that. It's not like an old muscle car, although that would be awesome. It's something that's very practical, even more practical than this. And I'm really excited about it. I want to give you guys some different clues and stuff, but it's hard, because then it makes it a little bit easier to guess. Could be anything, right? So let me know down in the comment section what you think. So that's all. I'm going to enjoy a little time on the beach. The sun is shining. The sky is looking blue. It is a nice day. All right, anyway, hope you have a wonderful day. See you tomorrow with a brand new video. Take care.